Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's charm box by A Daily Charm. I really liked the last box, so let's get into it guys. So on top, the first thing I see is this, and it's got listed what you get inside and how much it supposedly costs. So the first thing I see are some stickers. Here are the first ones, some cute little bows, roses, cute little kitty cats, really nice for doing some ballet core style nails. Then the next one we have some really cute little colourful flowers, perfect for spring and summer. And then we also have these dessert themed ones with some filigree and some flowers. Very, very nice. The next thing I see are glass rhinestones. These are in pastel colours, so there's pink, purple, green and blue. So a nice little bag of them. Oh, now I see lots of little things, so we'll go through them one by one. Here is the first thing, and these look like gold and silver flowers and butterflies. Then the next one, there are two of these. Super pretty. Then the next one, there are some tiny cutlery. That is just adorable. You can see how tiny they are. We have some pastel coloured bows. We have some micro pastel bows. And then we have some leaves. So the next thing I see is a little tub of lint-free nail wipes. These are cute little butterflies. So there's a whole tub of them. And here we have a mould. Get into it. Now this is a silicone mould for a different kind. I did buy some of these off of like Shein and Temu, but as you can see there are some bows, some cherries, and they're like on a curve, so they're shaped to like curve to a nail, which is really, really nice. And so you do it from this side. If you would like me to do a tutorial on how to use these and why I like them, because I now have several of them, please let me know in the comment section below and I will happily do that. And it comes in a nice little box to keep it clean. So the next thing I see, it looks like some sequiny kind of stuff. So the first thing we have here is, well, this actually looks like glitter. Very pretty. And then here we have a little tub of tiny, tiny pearls and some gold caviar beads. Okay, the next thing I see is these. And here we have some butterflies and some roses, so it's very much butterfly, flowery kind of themes. And what I like is with these flowers would go really nice, and you can add these leaves to them as well. So yeah, nice, cute. Then the next thing I see before we get to the polishes is this set of nail foils. The amount of nail foils I've got is ridiculous, and I hardly ever use them. pull them out one by one. So we have this one, which has like flowers on a lattice pattern. Then we have these what look like peonies with some loose petals in the background. And then here we just have a mixture of flowers. And here we have what looks like some white peonies. Here we have some tiny purple flowers and some green foliage. And then we have some flowers with some butterflies on. Very nice. And then we are on to the polishes. We have two. So the first one is number E08 Princess Diaries, Soak Off a Cat Eye Gel Polish. My light is way too bright there where it's making it hard for you to see the writing. And there's the top. And then the second one, we have E07 High Society Charm Gel, which is again a Soak Off a Cat Eye Gel Polish in a gold. So I am just going to go and swatch these and I will be back, guys. Okay guys, so I am back with these two gel polishes here. And so starting off with the pink one, E08. Here it is. And then with the gold, super duper nice. So everything we got in this box are these gel polishes, some nail foils, some glitter, these little charms here, some sprinkles, 3 lots of stickers, a silicone mould, a box of nail wipes, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little baggies of charms. So yeah, I really like this box. The stuff in it is very nice, very cute, very suitable for spring. And you know, I bought this using my own money, and personally the fact that it costs me £60 I find very expensive, because there's another box that I do on this channel called the Vetsy Mini Sub Box, and I only pay like £22 for that, and you get things like all these kind of stuff, gel polishes and everything in there. So seeing this box, it seems like you're not really getting all that much for your money. But it is really nice, it is super cute, and I will have fun coming up with some nail designs using this stuff. So if you would like to see them, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the upload. And I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye!